Traveling to Italy? Imagine landing in Rome and having internet right away, or walking through Florence, Venice, or Naples with Google Maps open without getting lost or losing data. With an eSIM, that's exactly what you get. Olafly gives you unlimited data. You get nationwide coverage, and you keep your number and your WhatsApp active throughout the trip. You also get 24/7 support in English in case something comes up. With Olafly, you don't worry about top-ups or running out of data halfway through your Vatican visit. You only need two things. First, an eSIM-compatible device. iPhone XR or newer, Samsung S20 or newer, Google Pixel 5 Plus, and several more. The full list is in the link below. Second, you need a Wi-Fi connection before traveling so that you can install your eSIM at home and fly with it ready. Olafly has special plans for all of Europe. France, Germany, Switzerland, Spain, Greece. One eSIM covers multiple destinations with no extra setup. And if you're a frequent traveler, there are global plans that work in over 160 plus destinations. First, go to the Olafly website, linked below. Second, choose Italy as your destination and select your travel duration. Third, make your purchase. You'll get a QR code by email. Fourth, on your iPhone or Android, go to Settings, Mobile Data, Add eSIM, Scan QR Code. And finally, follow the prompts and that's it. Olafly gives you unlimited data, support in your language, and the peace of mind of staying connected while exploring the Colosseum, getting lost in Venice's alleys, or sipping an espresso in a Roman piazza. Use the discount code in the description to save on your purchase. See you in the next video. Buon viaggio!